So this is the new Thermal Grizzly Wireview Pro 2 that's just come out a couple months ago. And if you've already clicked on the video, you know exactly what this little guy does. They've iterated from their Wireview Pro 1, which didn't have the LCD screen or anything like that, but basically all this thing does is per pin sensing on the 12-volt high power connector there. And if you have especially a 4090 or 5090, I personally would highly recommend this thing based off what it claims it does, but we'll see about that. I have faith in this company. They have been out for a long time and they make really good tested products for the enthusiast scene. But without further ado, I'm just gonna unbox this guy here, show you guys what's in the box, and just a quick little install on my 4090. Would assume it slides open here. Yep. And got a nice foam padding. This is it right in the box. Very nicely packaged, I must say. This is it right here. It's got some good weight to it. Definitely not some light, cheap thing. Got a tactile button there. A little fan for when it heats up a little bit. Nice protector on the screen. We'll take that off once it's all plugged in and all. And the cool thing is they actually custom made this extended 12-volt high power connector here just so that it complies with these 4090s and 5090s. Definitely be careful, as there are some 4090s and 5090s that are not compliant with this adapter as of yet, but I believe they're working on that. So this is the splitter that will actually shut off your entire system. This gets hardwired into your plug here, into your PC power plug. If it's using that standardized or the new standard connection where it's the one piece, you will need to get a separate adapter that's not included. But if it's a traditional one with the separate 2 pins, which I will show, then this guy will be completely fine. And then you got the USB-C to USB header on your motherboard. This is for your firmware updates. And then you get 2 more little sensors here. Personally, I'm not going to connect these, but basically you can plug in and put these are actually thermal sensors, so you can kind of position them wherever you want. Some people put them on the connector very close to it, or the back plate. That's kind of what they recommend, but this is the bottom side of the adapter here. You got those are the 2 sensor pins there that I just showed. USB-C, that is for the shutdown of your PC there. And there's the 12-volt high power connector. And what's really nice about this adapter is that it doubles as a 90-degree angle adapter as well, so that you can finally close the side panel of your rig. I know a lot of people are struggling with that one, but I'm going to take you guys over to the rig now and show you guys the process of getting it all installed. Very gently wiggle it out. Just inspecting my pins there. One thing I did see that's kind of a trend is that a lot of people that were having issues were having them because it seems that some of the pins or something of the sort kind of they get pushed outwards, so outside of the actual connection. So you kind of want to make sure all the pins are inside as best as possible. Just kind of push the connection in there, and then we will plug this guy into here. Okay, I heard the click there too. So we're all good there. And seems like a little bit of an aggressive bend, but before we go ahead and snug everything up there, I do want to kind of zip tie this guy and the USB-C. I heard the click. Not gonna lie, I'm sweating a little bit. That was pretty sketchy, the way that it felt like it fit in there, but we'll do one final test. All right, it's fully in there now. Definitely felt a little sketchy going in there, but basically it was a very tight fit when it was going in, but I did hear a click, and I did check on both sides here, and we are fully in. Might be hard to catch on camera here. I'll try on this end because the light is there, but you should be able to see there is no gap at all. And this is going to be the first boot of the Wireview Pro 2. There we go. Alright, so I've just finished installing the Wireview Pro 2, and I'm running a fur mark test on it right now just to confirm everything. This is in 4K. Hotspot is at 75 right now. It's been running for a little while, and it seems really good. Around 450 watts. And then if we go over here to the actual device itself, all the pins seem to be even, thankfully, and we're right around 450 watts, so everything is looking within spec.